Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at the sky. Good morning everyone. Madilim. So, today is Friday. TGIF. 29th of August. Last week of the month. And the weather for today is about 15. So, time check 4:09. Yeah, 4:09. Sign in lang ako sa aking relo kaya ako nag-stop everyone. So, yun ang update ngayong umagang ng Friday. And mag-walk tayo ng 8 minutes. See you after 6 hours everyone, or maybe less. It depends upon the situation this morning. Ayan, ulit tayo. Mag-cooking tayo. Mamaya ng ulam natin. That's it everyone, and bye at the moment. May gumagala na namang malaking aso dun sa dulo. Ayan lang. Umulan dito everyone. Ayan. Pero hindi ako pag sakas ko. Ayan o. Wala na. Tila si rain gently falls. Kain tayo everyone.
Hindi, pag kumakain ako ng malamig. Hindi.
Yung ganyan lang na kalahating gulong lang.
Go everyone. Dito tayo sa katay ng train kasi umuulan, malakas ang ulan. So, dumaan lang ako ng Marks and Spencer para bumili ng ulam. Dito tayo. Ayan. Sakay pa ako. Ayan everyone, kita nyo ba umuulan? Naulan, ayan na. Kaya nag-train ako dito. Pero hindi doon ang train ko, yung manggagaling dito ang train ko. That's it. High Street, Kensington. Diyan, pag diyan ka sumakay, baba ka naman ng Baker. Ayan. Pero dito, pag dito ka sumakay, baba ka ng Westminster. Oh, diba? Westminster kasi mag-Jubilee line na. That's it everyone. Nandito na ang train. Thank God, hindi masik at maluwag everyone. So, doon tayo. Ay, puno. Ganda pa yung dun sa unahan.
Will arrive in 1 minute.
Ayan, everyone. Dito ako sa Williston, Westminster. I'm going to Williston.
Vabbè, tutte le altre ne ho 100 passa.
1 minute. 1 minute. Darating na si train. The time check, 10:21. Maaga pa rin. Maaga pa rin. Kasi, magsaing lang ako ng kanin. Tapos, stir fried.
Surfaces around the station may be slippery. Please take extra care.
Tapos, aalis ako. At kukunin ko yung aking
Jubilee line, the train now approaching is to Wellston Green. Please stand back from the platform edge.
kain tayo, everyone.
Huwag kayo pa akong kanin.
Everyone, may bisita si nanay. Dalawa ang sasakyan. So, may banahan. Pasok tayo. Time check. 3:43 na. Oh my Jesus. Ayain na. Friday naman. That's life. Friday naman. Kung di pa nag-alarm, hindi ako magigising. Grabe, diba? So, ayun. Finally, nawala ang ulan. Hindi katulad kaninang umaga. Nawala ang ulan. Ang ulan-ulan. So, yan. That's yan. And, see you later after 5 hours. 5 to 6 hours. Ang ganda ng langit, diba? See you! Bye! Bye! Going at the train station, everyone. Tap up. Tap the card. Even the triangle from Williston, taking the Jubilee lines, everyone. Favorite.
This station is Wellston Green.
Everyone. Second train, everyone. 2, 4, 5 dito.
What's the gap between the train and the platform?
Dito.
This is a Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate, the next station.
Okay, everyone. Time check, 16:24. So, way out tayo, everyone. Maaga pa naman. Hindi, pero nakulay. So, dito lang tayo out sa train station. And in 5 minutes, I'm going to workplace, everyone. And thank God dahil nag-stop na yung ulang malakas. So, ayun lang, everyone. Way out. So, see you sa out in underground station, everyone. Ayan, oh, mainit dito. Grabe, di ba? Dito na tayo, everyone. Ngayon, hindi pa rin kami busy. So, next week pa busy. Ayan. Thank God. The lift is okay. Yeah. So, what's up? Open the cover and I'm going to the toilet. Toilet first. That's it, everyone. Going home. Done my 1 week off. 1 week. 1 week. Done my 1 week duty. So Saturday and Sunday. So wow, look at this. The one sunset. The sunset. And a good night, everyone. God bless and I love you all. So, ayan, everyone. 9:30 na. Ngayon pa lang kakain. Gabi, may leftover kami ni nanay kanina ng tanghali. Kaya yan na lang kainin ko. With pepino.